Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gaurav. You are watching Gaurav Tikata channel. So guys, today I will show you how to install a SSD in your PC. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's start. So as you can see from my background, today my PC is turned off. Last few days I think to update my SSD because my old SSD was 128 GB. That has not sufficient space for my work level. So I purchased a 500 GB SSD. In the sale period on Amazon Great Indian Festival, I grabbed this SSD. This is the crucial Preeti Nvme M.2 SSD. It is very fastest SSD. It price approx 2700 only, and its read speed is 3500 megabytes per second, and it is also a Gen 3 architecture SSD. So at first it is unboxed and let's install. You can see in my screen there have three disks. First is my hard disk, and the disk 1 is 128 GB SSD, and the final disk is 465, that is my 500 GB NVMe SSD. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon and bye bye.